Guys, today as you can see I'm making hello guys, today as you can see I'm making a new video, and I don't know if you guys see it, but I'm gonna do a little video clip of fireworks that went to Colorado. I was filming them and I guess I said, well, that'll make a really cool video. Well, it's not gonna be a whole video, but it'll make a pretty cool little video, so like a little short. I'll show you guys part of it and I'll show you guys it in 3, 2, 1 and 0.
just when we think.
You're not watching on my camera, are you, Jake? Cool, it looks like Saturn.
That it didn't work.
Send up in 3 minutes. Grandma. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see I showed you guys the video, and down to the real business. I am trying the new Oreo thins, and as you can see everybody really been talking about this, and I thought it will make a really cool video, well, just to do it. And I'm still at my grandma's. My mom and dad haven't got back yet, so let's get down to what we're supposed to do. Okay, you guys, I'll show you guys my this is so hard. I have to get a camera. That'll be good. Okay guys, Oreo thins right here, and no one's home. I'm home alone, and here's my brother. Say hi, DJ.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video about Oreo thins. Oreo thins. Want one?
I ate these over the weekend, Cinda.
Yay, they were supposed to be only for Grandma.
Okay, what are you doing? Just eating Oreos on the video?
No,
What are you doing?
I don't know. Trying Oreo thins.
Oreo thins?
They just taste like Oreos, but less
shit.
fat. But
If you want it to be a lot more fatter, what you do is you go like this, grab an extra. Well, okay, put that down there. Smack it right in the middle. Then grab another cookie. Put that one down. open it like that so that you have all the whipped cream.
And this is just mostly you trying to make the cookie
right
fatter.
there. And then you add the extra layer. Then you have this bottom layer to stick to that layer.
Damn, DJ!
And then you use this layer that has the extra frosting. You put it on the top so that way that sticks. And there, you have a really big cookie. Now we don't have to spend money on those Oreo Jumbos.
Okay, I guess that's all for today. So, I was gonna try. Oh, I forgot to give you the feedback. The feedback is just like regular Oreos but less fattening or less sugars, whatever you want to call it.
And less cream.
And less cream, whatever. And there's a tutorial to show how to make a fatter cookie with just Oreo thins. So that's today, and I'll show you guys a video of DJ eating his freaking Oreo thins.
Ah.
Okay, bye guys.